Well, today's video is going to be about affiliate marketing and how to get traffic for your affiliate marketing programs. We were doing a survey, and most of the people seem to be interested in this particular subject. So I'm going to talk about it a little bit. First off, I know that most of the people here already know what affiliate marketing is. There are a couple of different kinds of affiliate marketing, though. So let's go ahead and real quickly discuss what those are. And then we will go ahead and show you some of the things that you can do with affiliate marketing, how to get traffic, and then go ahead and show you what we are going to be doing with the upcoming affiliate automated affiliate profits launch. So, okay. So anyway, affiliate marketing. There are different kinds of affiliate marketing. Okay, there is basically there's marketing digital products, which is things like Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, ClickBank, things like that. There is affiliate marketing for physical products, which can be things like Amazon or eBay. You can do Best Buy, Walmart. I mean, basically what you're doing is you're advertising their products on your website or in your links, and you're taking a commission off of the different things that are sold through your website, through your links. There is what's called CPA marketing, which is, cost per action. And basically what that is you're sending leads or making sales to people that advertise through CPA networks. And there are a lot of CPA networks. Those cover everything from, people asking for a quote for auto insurance, that talks about people that are asking for, how to find a rehab place, people that are looking for our real estate listings, people looking for car loans. Yeah, there's tons and tons of CPA programs, and that's easy to find. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you, and we're going to go through a couple of different things to show you. Just a moment here. So basically, this is how affiliate marketing works. Okay, the affiliate joins an affiliate marketing program. Okay, the affiliate then promotes the program, the product, the service, whatever it is, whether it's digital, whether it's physical, whether it's a service, they promote that. You track your sales. You want to make sure you track your sales. That's really important to do because especially if you're spending money on advertising, you need to track exactly how much you're spending and how much you're getting back in sales because you want to make a profit. And as far as paid traffic, we'll go ahead and do that in another lesson. We're not going to do that today. That's a completely different kettle of fish. All right, after you track your sales so you can tell what's working and what's not working, you earn commissions, and that's how you get paid. Now, once again, you can join other programs and you go on from there. So that's really, really basic how affiliate marketing works. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the top affiliate marketing programs. You can see, as I mentioned earlier to you, ClickBank. That one's super easy to join, and that's all digital products. It's basically all you got to do is go to clickbank.com and you sign up, and pretty much I'd say 99% of the different things that are for sale there, you don't need to get approval to go ahead and sell them. On a lot of affiliate programs, you have to be approved for the network, you have to be approved for the individual items that are for sale. So it's, yeah, there's a process. PeerFly, that is a CPA network. It's not very hard to get approved. We will go ahead and do some training at a later date also how to go ahead and do CPA marketing. Rakuten, very well known. I'm sure you've seen the commercials on TV. eBay. Now, eBay has an affiliate marketing program, but you have to go through another company in order to get approved for them. Commission Junction is one of the companies that services things like eBay. They service a lot of the insurance companies and such like that. Amazon, let me move this down just a little bit. Amazon. Now, Amazon, you can get approved for that. But the thing is with Amazon, in order to get approved, you must have a website. If you don't have a website, there's no sense in even applying for Amazon because you will not get approved, plain and simple. eBay is typically the same way. If you apply for eBay, and you don't have a website up and on the internet, you're not going to get approved. It's simple as that. In fact, most of the CPA networks, you're going to have a website. We have, well, a lot of you know about Warrior Plus. That one's easy. You just go ahead and apply. Same thing with JVZoo. You go ahead and open up an account. The thing about JVZoo and Warrior Plus is you have to get approved for each individual thing that you're planning on selling, that you're planning on promoting. So, and if you don't have experience, it's a little bit harder. We'll go ahead and teach you how to do that. But you know, if you got a website, it's going to be a whole lot easier also, because you can share that information with whoever you are, with whoever you are applying to. So let's go ahead and go to the next. You're going to need traffic. Once you've got yourself up, you're going to need to get traffic. Now, we're going to go ahead real quickly. This is just really, really basic, how different ways you can get traffic. If you go to Google and you type in, you know, how to get free traffic for affiliate programs, you'll come up with lots of different websites that talk about it. They show you, you know, different ways to get traffic. There's a lot of good resources. This one I found was really good, and it's got some great stuff. We'll go over some of these ideas, and then I'll go ahead and explain to you a little bit more detail. Now, 8 of the best ways for you to get traffic. The first one you'll notice at the very top is search engine optimization. Now, I've been in SEO, search engine optimization, for over 20 years, and I know that it works. The thing is search engine optimization takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. It is time consuming. If you're going to do it properly, you've got to have things set up on your page properly. You got to have the right tags. You got to have the right, you know, everything's got to be set up properly. Otherwise, you're not going to get ranked really well. And then you have to have some off-page, you know, by off-page, I mean stuff that's not directly on your site. You've got to have other websites that are pointing back to your website, showing that you are relevant to the term that is being searched for. So yeah, SEO is very, very important. And by the way, the software we're going to be launching on Wednesday does a lot of the on-page SEO for you automatically, and we do have some off-page SEO also available to you. So you'll see it says do a bit of link building, write some quality articles, which our software does that for you automatically. And it actually gets the content from top sources. And what it does is it rewrites the information for you also automatically. So you've got unique content, and it's yeah, it's good. You're gonna love this software. I'll be doing a walkthrough on it on the next video coming up. So as you see here, it's not a quick process, but it's one of the best ways to deliver sustainable traffic to your website. And this is very, very true. SEO, if you do SEO correctly, it lasts for a long time. I had one local hall rental place that I did SEO for them. It took about 3 months or so to get them to the top of the search engines, but that was a couple of years ago, and they're still on the top 3 of the search engines a couple of years later, and they're really, really happy because up until the pandemic hit, they were renting their hall, you know, 3-4 times a week, and that's pretty big. It's, you know, showing up number 1 in a city of over 1 million. That's pretty important. So, okay, next it shows blogging. Blogging is a fantastic way to drive free traffic. A lot of people don't know that, and it ties in with SEO. If you have a blog, okay, what it does is it actually brings people in, and it's based on the information that you're putting up on your blog. Now, the software that we are launching on Wednesday, it automatically puts blogs on your website. We're going to show you how to install the software on your website, how to get it to automatically do updates, how to do unique content, high ranking unique content that will suck in traffic, and this is free traffic because you're going to be ranked high in the search engines. And in the blog, you have various different links that take them to your various different affiliate links. And this is where, you know, people come to your blog, they see some information that's really good, it gets them intrigued, and then you have calls to action in the blog. Plus, you have links that are embedded in the words of the blog itself. I'm sure you've seen these before, where you're reading something on a blog that's interesting, and you see certain words that are highlighted. You click on that highlighted word, it takes you to an affiliate link or something that's related. And then, of course, the way this is set up, it's going to have those, but it also has calls to action at the bottom. Like, say, they read an article about something that's really good, and you say, hey, if you'd like more information, or if you'd like to pick up this or that, then it sends them to your affiliate website, your affiliate link. So they purchase, you get paid a commission. I mean, it's really, really good. Next, you'll see it says social media. Social media works really well if you do it correctly. Now, if you're getting backlinks from social media to your blog, it's going to make your blog rank that much higher. Super important to get backlinks, and social media backlinks are some of the best that are out there, especially from high, well-known social media places like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, which the software that we have does those kinds of things. We have that available to you. So, you know, social media, like I say, people are going there. They're not going to be sold. They're going there to have fun, to be entertained, to be informed, to keep up with, you know, catch up with friends, with family, things like that. So they're not really looking to be sold. You can make really, really good money through social media if you get paid ads, but you have to do that properly also. So I don't really advertise on social media to speak of. I know how to do it, and I'm quite good at it. I've actually done social media management for several companies and run their ads for them. So I do know how to do that. I actually have a team that helps me out on that because be perfectly honest with you, I just don't have time to do it myself anymore. So I'm busy with other things, and SEO still takes up a good deal of my time. But social media is a fantastic way for you to get free traffic, and that's if you do it right. But if you're going to use social media, my recommendation is to use social media to give backlinks to your blog, so your blog ranks higher and you get more people there. And if you do social media posts, what you want to do is you want to just put like little blurbs about what's going on, and then you put a link back to your website where people go and read more at your blog, where they are. You have a much better chance of going ahead and selling them on clicking your affiliate link because you're giving them a lot more information. Okay, another social media. A lot of people don't realize this, but YouTube is a social media website. People are posting stuff that is interesting, it's informative, it's entertaining, and people basically go there to learn how to do stuff, to watch funny videos, to be entertained. So yeah, YouTube is really a social media. It's a different type of social media a website, but it is social media nonetheless. So people sharing information with each other. Quora is a very good website. Quora is like a question and answer type website. People go in there. Once again, it's social media. People go in and ask questions, and then you can either answer them, which, by the way, you can use that to your advantage. And Yahoo Answers is still out there, and they've been around for a long time, but Quora has passed them up. But if you go to Quora and people are asking questions, you can easily answer their question, and you put links back to your website with more information. When they go to your blog, they read more information and they click through to your links and they make purchases. Reddit is, well, it says right here, one of the largest websites in the world. This is a place where people can post articles and such like that. It's a good place to go ahead and post information. It's a little bit harder to do. I know how to do Reddit also. I've done that quite a bit. It is a little bit more involved, and that would take an entire lesson, a series of lessons, for you to learn how to do it properly. Because if you don't do it properly, they look at you as a spammer, and then they basically you're losing your reputation, and people just won't pay attention to your articles. So we'll be showing you how to use Reddit at a future time, but just keep that in the back of your mind. Reddit is a good place for you to go ahead and drive traffic. Craigslist. Craigslist, you know, I got to be honest with you. The only thing I ever use Craigslist for is buying and selling physical things in my local neighborhood. I have done it before. I have driven some traffic, but like I say, Craigslist is a completely different breed of cat. They have a lot of different rules that they've changed over a few years, because people used to spam the heck out of Craigslist, and it got so bad that, you know, they had to change the rules. So it's a little bit harder to do. You can do it. I don't do it anymore myself personally, but feel free to go ahead and give it a try if you want. Another social media is Pinterest, which Pinterest we've also got included if you're interested in our software. It's a great place for you to post various different graphics, for you to post pictures, and you can see that the different categories that they have, you know, health and fitness, money, making money online, sports, creativity, things like that. You can do really, really well on Pinterest. And the nice thing about Pinterest is it's fairly easy. You can post backlinks to your blog. People are interested. They will click through to your blog. They'll read your post, and then of course they go ahead and they purchase through your links. So those are real basic ways that you can go ahead and drive traffic. Folks, do keep in mind that, as I mentioned, tomorrow's video, we're going to go ahead and do a walkthrough of automated affiliate profits. We're going to show you how it works. I think you're going to be really impressed. I mentioned this before in one of my earlier videos. When I first saw the software that my partner had put together, I was absolutely blown away by it. It's really, really something. It's actually the best blogging software I have ever seen. And that's something to say, because I've seen a lot of blogging software. I've actually used a lot of blogging software in the past. And this is so automated and so easy to use. There's lessons on how to set it up, how to go ahead and post your blogs, it's a complete and thorough training of not only how to install the software, but how to set it up and how to make it do things automatically for you. Super easy. You're going to be really excited when you see it. I'm going to show you the walkthrough video tomorrow. And yeah, so keep your eyes out for that message tomorrow. By the way, if you're interested in picking up a copy of it, go ahead and keep your eyes open, because we're going to tell you how to pick up a copy of that tomorrow. And the survey that we added at the in your email, go ahead and click on that link. Go back to your email message and click on that, because if you want to get a free copy of Automated Affiliate Profits, we're giving you a chance to do that by simply answering one single question in that survey. Super easy. Like I say, you click on it. It's a safe website, SurveyMonkey. I'm sure you've heard of it. And somebody who answers that survey, one single question, is going to win a free copy, free access to Automated Affiliate Profits. So, okay, folks, let's go ahead and. All right. Anyway, yeah, keep your eyes out for tomorrow's video, and have yourself a fantastic day, morning, evening, wherever you are, and we'll talk to you soon.